My desired life at Scott's Run Nature Preserve. Get told what to do by the government. Look at the water. Look at graffiti on a waterfall. Blue flowers. Read a hiking book while hiking. What the hell is this? Good night, America. One man, betrayed by his country, walks up some steps in the forest against all the odds. The map shows that there's supposed to be a flagpole here. Something's missing. Now that's more like it. A relaxing day, perched up with a beautiful view of the water. I'm really old. And I still gotta go up that damn hill. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the disappointment that is Scott's Run Nature Preserve. This is some kind of foundation, and I suppose it's very important. I'll take a picture here and get the hell out of here before wasting any more time being here. One last sight to see on the map. I suppose this was a pool at some point, or at least that's what the map says. Since it's on the map, it should be a really big deal. But it isn't. It's nothing. Scott's Run Nature Preserve, I'll never forgive you. What's that burning smell? And why has there been a helicopter flying overhead for the past 45 minutes? Oh! Scott's Run Nature Preserve is on fire again. Well, the only proper thing to do is go to Tyson's Corner and try on blazers, because I'm a proper dandy. So the score with the fire trucks is that Scott's Run Nature Preserve is always catching on fire. It's a really dry area, and riffraff goes there and they have their marijuana cigarette and they just throw it. The whole place burns down, and that's why we can't have nice things.